looking for extra things to learn, or you want to add to your skills so that when you go and look for a job, you're better able to market yourself. IP is the easiest one to do. Okay. For engineers, it's the easiest thing because it's a natural progression from what you've been learning the past 4 years. If you're into programming, then you can look at Android and how to develop an app for that. The other stuff, LTE, WiMAX, intelligent networks, and SBP, you'll meet more of that if you get to work in the telecommunications industry. But again, most of those topics, if you just want an overview, Google mo lang yan. Makikita mo dyan. There are a lot of videos, there are a lot of white papers that you can get online. So, much as I want to talk more, actually I can talk for the entire day. But we're pressed for time, so I'll just show my contact information. And if anyone's interested, you can friend me on Facebook. Di naman ako snub dun. You can email me if you have any questions or inquiries. You can text me on my work mobile. Just tell me who you are, so I'll respond. Kasi ba nagbebenta lang kayong credit card. And I'd like to thank everyone for spending time with me this morning. Alam ko mahirap pumunta. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you for that wonderful speech. If you have any question, just approach the
RL Ramos
question.
at smart.com at gmail. Question number 1 come from
Pwede pong magtanong. Tanong ko lang sa since di ba nag-evolve na yung mga devices natin, mga phone into internet-based do you consider it as a threat or opportunity? Kasi since smart is the leading, as you have said, na all pass alone. And ano ba? Di ba parang yung internet nare-replace na yung text messaging since may mga application na internet-based, and then you can communicate with or you can talk with your other friends. So, how do you manage it, if ever? If it's a threat or opportunity?
Actually, magandang question yan. The way we think right now, nagbago na kami. Before, we used to think in threats. Pero recently, lahat tinitignan na namin as an opportunity. Bakit ganun? Because when something is threatening your business, and you're exactly right, the past 3 years, we've tracked the decline of text messaging during Christmas and New Year. Normally, those are the peak seasons for text messaging. That's why we have 24-hour shifts on that day. Twice akong hindi nag-Christmas at nag-New Year para bantayan yung load on the network. But recently, because of Facebook, because of Twitter, it's easier to greet someone Merry Christmas. Kasi nandun na lahat sa Facebook mo send mo na. Huwag ka na maglagay ng pangalan, lagay mo lang Merry Christmas. Dami na magre-reply dun. Pwede ka pang gumawang graphics kasi may ka sa Photoshop, ganyan. It's much easier, and we consider it an opportunity because the infrastructure where those information passes, kailangan niya yung telecoms network. All we have to do is shift our focus from beefing up our systems for text and call to beefing up our systems for multimedia. So, nung umpisa threat siya, but when we shifted yung thinking, opportunity na siya. And that's why we're rolling out products that are geared towards that. LTE, WiMAX, and then cheap tablets and the like. All to gear towards a more internet-friendly na business. Salamat.
May question pa.